10 must-try Iloilo food. Iloilo province is renowned for its rich culinary heritage, offering a diverse array of delicious dishes influenced by Spanish, Chinese, and indigenous flavors. Here are the top 10 foods to taste in Iloilo province. Number 1 is 𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗢𝗧, a hearty noodle soup made with pork offal, pork belly, beef loin, and round noodles, flavored with garlic, onions, and fish sauce, garnished with chicharron or crispy pork rinds, and often served with a side of bread or puto or steamed rice cake. Number 2 is seafood. Iloilo is blessed with abundant seafood offerings including prawns, crabs, scallops, and various fish species. Don't miss trying grilled squid, inasal na pusit, and steamed blue crabs or talaba served with vinegar and soy sauce dip. Third is chicken inasal, a popular Filipino barbecue dish originating from Bacolod City but widely enjoyed in Iloilo as well. Chicken pieces are marinated in a mixture of calamansi juice, soy sauce, vinegar, and annatto oil, then grilled to perfection, resulting in juicy and flavorful chicken with a slightly charred exterior. Number 4 is KBL, 𝗪𝗖𝗪𝗧, baboy, at langka, a traditional Ilonggo stew made with pigeon peas or 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗧, pork belly, baboy, and unripe jackfruit or langka, simmered in a flavorful broth seasoned with ginger, garlic, and fish sauce. It's often served as a hearty and comforting meal, especially during fiestas and special occasions. Number 5 is pansit molo, a savory dumpling soup dish featuring delicate pork-filled dumplings, molo wrappers, served in a flavorful chicken broth with shredded chicken, shrimp, and garnished with green onions and fried garlic. It's comforting and a popular dish often enjoyed during celebrations and gatherings. Number 6 is dinuguan at puto, a classic Filipino dish made with pork offal, typically pork blood, intestines, and meat, cooked in a rich and savory sauce made from vinegar, garlic, onions, and pig's blood. It's best enjoyed with a freshly steamed rice cake or puto for a delicious contrast of flavors and textures. Number 7 is 𝗖𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗙𝗙. Bayi-bayi is a traditional Ilonggo dessert made from toasted glutinous rice flour, grated coconut, and sugar, molded into bite-sized balls or patties. It's a simple yet delightful treat, enjoyed for its sweet and nutty flavor, often served during fiestas and special occasions. Number 8 is tinola, a light and refreshing Filipino chicken soup made with tender chicken pieces cooked in a ginger-infused broth with green papaya or coyote squash, spinach, and sometimes malunggay leaves. It's a comforting and nutritious dish commonly served for lunch or dinner. Number 9 is bizcocho, a crunchy and sweet biscuit made from sliced bread, brushed with butter, sugar, and often topped with grated cheese or desiccated coconut, then toasted or baked until golden brown. It's a popular pasalubong or food souvenir from Iloilo, perfect for snacking or pairing with coffee or hot chocolate. Number 10 is cassava cake, a delicious Filipino dessert made from grated cassava mixed with coconut milk, eggs, sugar, and butter, then baked until golden and topped with a creamy custard layer made from condensed milk and coconut cream. So what do you think is the most delicious Ilonggo food? Don't forget to leave your comment at the comment section below. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.